दोस्तों मैं अमरशीद ब्रॉडवे इमिग्रेशन सर्विसेज से ब्रॉडवे की तरफ से हमने स्टार्ट किया A2E एकेडमी जो आपको आइल्स कोचिंग देगी घर बैठे। सो आपको कहीं ट्रैवल करने की जरूरत नहीं है। टीचर 1-to-1 आपके साथ लाइव बैठेंगे, आपके क्वेश्चन डाउट्स कंफ्यूजन और प्लस द ट्रेनिंग वो आपको घर पे प्रोवाइड की जाएगी। इमीडिएटली रजिस्टर्ड करें दिए गए नंबर पे 9216780780। थैंक यू।
Hello viewers, welcome back to our official channel of A2E. We will do a cue card session today for 7 to 8 bands. So let's start. So let's move to the second part of speaking, which is cue card round. I will give you a topic. You have 1 minute to prepare for this topic, and for the next 2 minutes you have to speak. So the topic is describe an interesting neighbors of yours. You should say how long you have known this neighbor, what sort of person he she is, how often you see him her, and explain what kind of relationship you have with him her. So you have 1 minute to prepare your notes and your time starts now. Okay, Siddharth, start speaking.
I personally believe that neighbors are very important in an individual's life. These are those people who lives in our surroundings. I also have many neighbors in my society, and one of them is Mrs. Jennifer. Mrs. Jennifer is a very kind-hearted and charming lady in her late 40s. I know Mrs. Jennifer since 2012 when she moved here with her husband and 2 kids from Mumbai. Mrs. Jennifer lives right next to my door. I consider her a very interesting neighbor because she is an all-rounder lady. By profession, Mrs. Jennifer is a teacher. I vividly remember she would teach me for hours when I used to have my exams in my primary school. Apart from that, she's a very good home cook because she makes very delicious food, and she also know how to do each and everything very well. She's a professional baker also. Mrs. Jennifer is an extreme nature enthusiast also because she loves to do gardening. She grows different kinds of fruits, vegetables and flowers in her garden. Apart from that, Mrs. Jennifer is very kind and she's very caring towards kids because I vividly remember when me and my friends used to play at a park which is stone through my house. She would give us handful of candies and chocolates. Mrs. Jennifer always take care of me and my brother when my mother is not available at my home because she and my mother are best friends and they both are the member of same kitty party club. Although nowadays I do not go out much, but still I meet Mrs. Jennifer twice or thrice a week, and whenever I get time I sometimes make a call at her place also. I always cherish our sweet and beautiful bond.
Okay. So let's move to the third part of speaking, which is follow-up rounds. Do you think neighbors are important?
In my opinion, neighbors are very important in an individual's life because they are part of our family members only. They can be our helping hands. Neighbors help us in our difficult situations. For instance, when my mother is not available at home, some aunts from my neighborhood give us some food so that we can enjoy our meal.
What are the qualities of good neighbor?
There are several qualities of good neighbors. Firstly, good neighbors are very cooperative. Secondly, they are respectful and friendly. Thirdly, I consider good neighbors are those which know their boundaries. They know when and where to interfere in others' life and when not to interrupt or interfere what is going on others' life.
Do most Indian people know their neighbors?
Well, I believe it's a controversial thing to say that yes, Indians know each other's really well and they know their neighbors really well, because if I talk about the people who lives in countryside area, people are very well going with each others. They know their neighbors well and they exchange things with their neighbors. But contrary to that, in the residential apartments, people are very much busy in their day-to-day life and they do not even bother what their neighbors are doing.
So what are some of the qualities of a good community?
Well, in my point of view, good community is that community where each and every person is equally respected. Each and every person is very cooperative towards each other. They are always there for each other to help them in their hardest phase. Apart from that, a good community is that community which celebrates each and every occasion collectively.
In India, are there any facilities for improving relations among neighbors?
I guess yes, Indians and Indian government has done pretty much good things to improve the relations among individuals or among the neighbors. Like in the residential areas, there are public gardens and public parks where neighbors can meet and greet with each other. They can have a common talk. Apart from that, day-to-day events are organized in the buildings where all the neighbors can take part and they can cherish each other.
Okay. So that's all about your speaking.
Thank you.
So that's all about the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.
दोस्तों मैं अमरजीत ब्रॉडवे इमिग्रेशन सर्विसेज से ब्रॉडवे की तरफ से हमने स्टार्ट किया A2E एकेडमी जो आपको आइल्स कोचिंग देगी घर बैठे। सो आपको कहीं ट्रैवल करने की जरूरत नहीं है। टीचर 1-to-1 आपके साथ लाइव बैठेंगे, आपके क्वेश्चन, डाउट्स, कंफ्यूजन और प्लस द ट्रेनिंग वो आपको घर पे प्रोवाइड की जाएगी। इमीडिएटली रजिस्टर्ड करें दिए गए नंबर पे 9216780780। थैंक यू।